Each formation has a drilling window that drillers must be aware of as they drill deeper. A drilling window is the space between formation pressure and fracture pressure. It is most important to understand that formation and fracture pressures are beyond your control. What is in your control is hydrostatic and bottom hole pressure. Drilling fluid must be heavy enough to hold back formation pressure, but not so heavy that it causes the formation to fracture. As you drill deeper, you will need to adjust the pressure downhole to stay in the space between formation and fracture pressures. If hydrostatic pressure exceeds fracture pressure, then the surrounding formation may fracture. The most common place where the formation will fracture is usually immediately below the lowest casing. This is where the formation pressure is the weakest and most susceptible to fracturing if the wellbore hydrostatic pressure is increased too much. A fracture in the formation could lead to a loss of drilling fluid to the formation. Whenever drilling fluid is lost to fractures in the formation, a situation called lost circulation occurs. The most obvious indication of lost circulation is no flow. The flow of drilling fluid across the shakers will stop. Other indications of lost circulation include when the flow indicator decreases to 0, an increase in string weight, or an increase in pump speed if the rig is not equipped with constant speed pumps. This situation causes a reduction in the true vertical height of the hydrostatic column and a loss of bottom hole pressure. When lost circulation occurs, the possibility of taking a kick is increased. When drilling a well deeper, the well is reinforced with casing and cement. Casing is set in the middle of the hole, and cement is then pushed down the casing and forced up the outside of the casing. Drilling is then continued deeper into the formation. The exposed wellbore area immediately below the casing is called the shoe, and as explained earlier, it is typically the weakest part of the exposed wellbore before more casing is used to protect the formation.